How to turn Python scripts into standalone executables. Have you ever wondered how to take your Python script and turn it into a standalone executable? This process can make sharing your program much easier, especially for those who do not have Python installed. Let's break down the steps you need to follow to achieve this. To start, you will need a tool that packages your Python code along with the Python interpreter and all necessary files into a single executable file. One of the most popular tools for this task is PyInstaller. It is user-friendly and perfect for beginners learning Python programming. First, you need to install PyInstaller. Open your command prompt or terminal and type the command pip install PyInstaller. This will install the PyInstaller package that you will use for conversion. Next, ensure your Python script is working correctly. It is best if your script does not rely on external files unless you plan to include them during the packaging process. Now navigate to the directory where your Python script is saved. You can do this using the command prompt or terminal. Once you are in the correct folder, it is time to create the executable. Run the command PyInstaller your script, Py. This will generate a folder named dist where your executable will be placed. By default, PyInstaller creates a folder with multiple files needed to run your program. If you want to create a single executable file, you can use the one-file option. The command would look like this: PyInstaller your script, Py. This option simplifies distribution since you only need to share one file. You can also customize your executable. For instance, if you want to suppress the console window for graphical user interface applications, you can add the windowed option. If you wish to add a custom icon, use the is equal to icon ICO option. An example command would be PyInstaller windowed is equal to myicon, ICO your script, Py. After PyInstaller finishes, locate your executable inside the dist folder. It is a good idea to test it on your system or another system that does not have Python installed to confirm it runs independently. PyInstaller works on various operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and Mac operating system. If your script uses external files or modules, you might need to specify additional options or include those files manually. While PyInstaller is a great choice, there are alternatives like CXFreeze and Py2X. However, many users prefer PyInstaller for its ease of use and broad compatibility. Turning Python scripts into executables is especially useful when sharing programs with users who may not have Python installed. For example, if you develop a game or a utility in Python, packaging it as an executable allows others to run it easily without any setup. By following these steps, you can successfully convert your Python scripts into standalone executables, making your programs accessible to a wider audience.